Hi guys, another little project for Grandad to have a look at. This lamp where are we? Is that the name? Ozark Trail Outdoor Equipment. Right, what it should do is switch on when you lift it up and switch off when you put it down. And it doesn't go down, so it's not switching off. So we're going to have a look, see if we can find a way in and find out why it isn't going down. Bottom unscrews, because that's where the batteries go. And we got 4 screws to undo to have a look inside. Right, 4 screws are out. That drops out. And that looks to me like it'd be as simple as that switch has come loose. I reckon that's all it is. Right, looking inside there, it looks like that post is what sticks down and should operate that switch. When that switch is in position down there. Yeah, so that post goes down there, slides down there and pushes down like that. Is that in focus? Probably not. Let's try that again. So the post slides down like that and pushes that in. And that had just come loose. Oh, I like it when it's that simple. There we go, light out. Only thing is, can I lift it up with one hand? Yeah. Oh, hang on, did that? It hasn't gone out, it hasn't gone down far enough. I reckon that bit of plastic's bent and it's not making contact properly. Right, we'll have to adjust that. I've just put a bit of a bend on that lever so that it has more effect. So, light on, light off, light on, light off. Yeah, that's fixed it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.